Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bookcase that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Solder 5 Shelf Bookcase. If you're hunting for bookcases with excellent value, there is none better than the Solder 5 Shelf Bookcase. This option comes with 6 colors to choose from, including cherry, chestnut, and salt oak, giving your home a mature, sophisticated feel that will make you feel just as intelligent as the many renowned authors on the shelves. As for functionality, it comes with 5 shelves, and 3 of these are adjustable to change up as you see fit or need to. This versatility is excellent for those who want to fill their bookcase with more than just books, so if you've got houseplants, tall cast models, or even framed pictures, you can find the perfect setup to suit your needs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Furinno Reversible Color Open Shelf Bookcase. The Furinno Reversible Color Open Shelf Bookcase is no nonsense and does exactly what you need it to do. There are 4 colors and 4 styles and sizes to select, so you'll find the ideal option for you, making it an excellent option for the home or office, or even both. The engineer particle board construction ensures durability, and it's also stable on flat surfaces to prevent wobbling or even toppling over, which is always something you'd hope from a bookcase, regardless of how much you spend on it. The odor-free wood also prevents strange aromas in the home. At number 3, we have the Convenience Concepts Oxford 5-Tier Bookcase. Convenience is the name of the game with the Convenience Concepts Oxford 5-Tier Bookcase. Another great option for a corner bookcase. This is one of the more unique options that we've picked out because it comes with a drawer to store smaller items and keep that clutter to a minimum. As a bookcase with drawers, or drawer, really, you're given a brand new dimension of organization. It's great for portable wireless chargers, cables, notebooks, and stationery, as well as anything else that you've not yet found a place for in the home. Besides this, the 5 spacious tiers offer plenty of space for books, ornaments, and more, so you may be able to organize your whole home on one single bookcase. At number 2, we have the Nathan James Theo 5 Shelf Wood Ladder Bookcase. Nathan James Theo 5 Shelf Wood Ladder Bookcase is our premium choice for the best bookcase available. Unlike other options, it comes with a blend of materials, combining both metal and wood to provide excellent durability and dependability that you don't always get from purely wooden models. These materials work together to provide an excellent experience for storing your books as well as anything else that you can fit on the shelves. Keep in mind, however, that some styles are not as wide as your standard bookcase. Even so, with 5 tiers, there should be sufficient room for your Mo Zero Street treasured stories, and the style is versatile enough that it will fit alongside existing bookcases without looking out of place. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vasagle Industrial Ladder Shelf 4-Tier Bookshelf. The Vasagle Industrial Ladder Shelf 4-Tier Bookshelf is ideal for modern apartments and homes and offers plenty of storage options for almost everything you can think of, or at least, everything that will fit on a bookshelf. It is available in 2 colors, rustic brown and rustic dark brown, and, while these are not as exciting or varied as other options, it's still a classic color that will suit any home hoping for that rural and traditional feel. However, keep in mind that the color does not exactly match the real-life color. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.